As a student, you should choose your own field to play your own game. If you want to find out what is the root cause to get success for each and every person, then you will get only one thing behind that. You will get only one cause behind that, and that is every successful people has chosen his own field to play his own game. So there is many fields in front of you. There is a sports field, there is fields based on knowledge. For example, there is a cricket field, football field, hockey, etc. And there is many fields based on knowledge. For example, science, there is chemistry, physics, there is medical science, and there is literature, and there is many faculties. And also religious area, also this is also such kind of field, and spirituality. So there is many countless field in front of you. You have to choose a suitable field to play your own game. There is very famous player in our country. His name is Sakibul Hasan. If you ask him what is the root cause of getting success in his life, he will reply you, I have chosen my own field to play my own game. And if you ask him how you are good in football field, and how you are good in hockey field, and how you are good in tennis field, he will reply you, I'm not good in football, and I'm not good in hockey, and I'm not good in tennis also. It is enough for me to become good performer in my own field, because this is my field, this is my own field, and I am doing my best. So it is enough for me to become good performer in my own field. And if you ask any giant football player, for example Messi, how you are good in cricket field, he will reply you, it is not important for me what is going on in cricket world. It is enough for me to know, to understand, and to do a good performance in my own field. It is enough for me. So there is many fields also based on knowledge. In our Islamic world, we get many giant scholars. For example, Imam Abu Hanifa, rahimahullah, he has chosen his own field to work, and he become Imam. Very honorable and very respectable person in our Islamic world. And there is another scholar, Imam Bukhari. He has chosen different field than Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahumullah. So there is another scholars, for example Imam Ibn Kathir. He has chosen another different individual field than Imam Abu Hanifa and Imam Bukhari rahimahumullah. So as a student, you have to find out what is your field, and you have to choose suitable field for you to play your own game. Otherwise, if you want to become good in every field, you want to be good in cricket, you want to be good in football, you want to be good in hockey also, you won't be successful in all fields. You have to focus on one point, one field, individual field, then you will be successful easily. Otherwise, if you want to become good in each and every field, you won't be successful. So As a student, you have to choose your suitable field to play your own game. That will be enough for you. Thank you very much.